Hello everybody, welcome back to Bing Bong PTV. Today we are going to be playing none other than... Actually no, we're not going to be playing anything. We are going to continue our tutorial. I know you probably thought, oh, it is over. We're done now. Oh my goodness. No, we are now going to make weeks. Yes, that's right. Weeks. Pretty simple actually. So let's get straight into it. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to need a menu character. And if you go to Mods, Images, Menu Characters, you'll see this README that says drop your menu characters, that word here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Mods, Images, Characters, and let's go to Skeleton, Ground, and Bone. And the XML too, so you'll need both of those. Actually, no. Let's just get those two for now, and let's bring it to our art making software. And you'll need the perfect yellow. So let's go to Psych Engine, Assets, Images, Menu, Background. Yeah, this. Bring it in. Use that drop color tool, whatever it's called. Pipette. I don't know. And now let's just make every inside color that nice yellow, and make sure that it's not it has some white in it. It's not that big of a deal, but yeah, looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna do it to all of these. You're not going to save the image. You're going to File, Export Image as PNG, and you're gonna do let's go back here, Assets, Shared Images. Sorry, no. Psych Engine, Assets, Images, Menu Characters. Yes, right here. You're going to see that, let's open up Menu BF. So you have to put menu underscore the name of the character. So I'm going to put capital M, menu underscore bone. Then press save. Skeleton ground. Let's do the same with them. So you see I have multiple colors in this. There's brown and white. Oh, and not only that, but you don't need everything colored in yellow. You just need to make sure the idle animation is colored in yellow. So I can tell which one is the idle animation. It's this one because his mouth isn't open. Sorry, I need to blow my nose. But yeah, you just don't color any black parts yellow. You color everything else yellow. Oh. It's gonna take a bit, so you can go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up. Get this part right here. Make sure it's perfect. Hey guys, I just remembered. You can, since I since I'm in Photoshop or Photopea or whatever, I can just right click this, blending options, color gradient, color overlay, choose hue, then just use the yellow. I just realized it's probably not going to do it, so maybe color. Yes, that'll work. I'll still color in the ground though, so. And for this one, we'll also do export as. We're going to do menu underscore skeleton. So we'll go to mods, images, menu characters, menu bone, menu skeleton, psych engine. We can boot it up now. Press 7. Don't choose weak editor, choose menu character editor. So for the opponent for this song, it's going to be skeleton ground. So what I'm going to do is choose image file name, menu, skeleton, and the idle in the XML. And I'm pretty sure in it it's just idle, so that. So I messed up something. Let's go check it out. I mean, that's songs, images, menu characters. You see, I needed mods, images, characters, bones, skeleton ground, mods, images, menu characters. You're going to name these to menu bone, just the way it's spelled. It has to be the same way or else it's not going to work. Underscore, skeleton. So you needed the XML. So I said mods, images, characters, and I got the same ones because it's the same images. If it's a different image, you have to get a different one. And you might be thinking, oh, that's it. No, you have to click on this, and right here it says image path. Spooky Kids Assets PNG. That is not the name of this PNG. It is menu bone. Now Control S, and we're going to do it right here too. See, this one says skeleton ground. No, that's not skeleton ground. That is menu skeleton. Now let's boot up the game. Oh, and you'll have to do the same exact stuff too. Man, this chocolate milk's tasty. Alright. Now let's check. No capitals. It has to be the same exact way. Then I have to do idle. There we go. We got it. Now, it might not look so good. So you see, we press scale, and we shrink it to the right size so it fits in there. You can press the arrow keys to change it around. WASD doesn't do anything. You have to have the arrow keys. You move this up, and you move it right where the opponent would be. So as you can see, it's kind of blocking boyfriend, so I'll have to make it even smaller. So there we go. And you can hold down shift just in case, so you can go like by tens or something. So you can move around like really more rather than just one pixel at a time, like, you see. Anyways, so that's it. You're gonna press save character. You're gonna go to mods, images, menu characters, and it has to be the same one, so it has to be... Actually, no, it doesn't have to be the same one. It can be any one, so just put skeleton ground. Escape. So now when you go... Actually, no, we're going to make the bone one, too. So you can go down here, and this is where you get to choose. So girlfriend is over there, and if you don't know, inside the song, bone is the girlfriend. So we're going to go to girlfriend. We are going to choose menu, bone, and the same exact one in the XML. And I remember I used the Spooky Kids XML, so that's not going to work. Let's go to a menu bone. It is Spooky Dance Idol. Spooky Dance Idol. So that one would be like Spooky Dance Idol, right? It has to be the same exact one. No underscores, because that's what it says in there. Then you say reload character, and there we go. We get the bone. Press the scale, so it's the perfect size. I mean, this one can be bigger. I'll make it smaller though. Like that. Then we press save character. Mods, image. Let's just do bone. Now one last thing. We're going to be making the menu background. Let's see how long I've been recording. 12 minutes. I might also do making dialogue. And then I think our mod will be done. Oh yeah, there's credits too. So, we're going to go here. Psych engine, assets, images, menu backgrounds. Let's choose a random one. Bring it into our art thingy. Make another layer. Now, you'll specifically have to choose the same two colors, which will be the darker and the brighter yellow. And you get to make your background. And for this one, I'm just going to do I'm doing this with a mouse. I'm not actually using my stylus, but whatever. I mean, it's really short anyways. Choose the darker one. So you probably have to use the brighter one for the background. And then you have to use the darker one for your drawing. But we'll do File, Export As. Make sure it keeps the menu, whatever, I forgot. I've been saying it so much, I forgot. Menu, bro. Save. We'll go to Psych Engine, Mods, Images, Menu Backgrounds, and we're just going to import that right in there. And now we're going to go inside our game, and we're going to press Weak Editor. Yes. Alright, so there's a lot here. I'll just go from top to bottom. Songs. You have to make sure that the song name or songs is just the way you want it to be. So this is Final Escape, so I'm going to do it just the way I spelled it. Final Escape. If you have another song, you press comma, then you choose another song, and you can see it imports right down there. So there's that. Characters. So dad is on this side, and it says dad, whichever file name it was. So I'll do skeleton. Brown. There we go. We go to GF, and we choose bone. Stage, so the background asset. Don't choose the menu underscore, bro. It's not gonna work. You have to do just the name that was after. So, bro. Bro, I'm there. Up here is your display name. So you can see up here it'll change as I type it in. Up there, see it's gone. I'll type it. There we go. There we go. Custom week name. This is just, I don't know, week name. Nothing special. You can choose whatever you want. I'll choose week 1 and the week file. So that's another thing. I'm gonna go back here. Take away that. I don't need that. I'm gonna go here. Psych engine assets images, and I'll choose story mode. And these are all of the names. I'll just get this tutorial one for now, and I bring it up. It's going to be hard to see, so I'll recommend doing a black background while you're making it, so you can see. I'll just do the skull emoji or whatever. You can put text here. Just put the... Wait, how do I do? I forgot. You can do any font you want, really. Just do this. I don't know what to do here. No, it's gonna be hard to see. Oh, that's right. It's black. You need it to be white so you can see it. Oh, shoot. Yeah, but you're going to do that. You're going to do your text. No escape, I guess. I don't know. And right here, boom. Remember, make it white. You don't. If it's black, it'll just blend in with the background. You have blending options, color overlay, making it white. Don't choose color. Do normal. So then it's actually white. Now you can't see it, but you can kind of see it. You see, you can kind of see it. Your file, no, file export as PNG. You don't need to do anything like menu, BG, no, BG underscore. You don't need to do that. You can just do, I don't know. We go to Psych Engine, mods, images, story menu, right? And we just bring that in right there. So now when we're inside the game, we can go to weak file. We can put, I don't know. There it is. Yes. Stretch. You're probably wondering what this other thing is. You can say week starts locked or hidden until unlocked. You see, you can do stuff like that where it's a secret week or just a locked week. If it is locked, you'll need to put in the name of the last week. I don't need to do this because I mean I don't really want to. Default difficulties are easy, normal, hard. So the difficulties, this is new. I'm assuming you just put, the way it says, If you have multiple, you do easy, comma, space, normal. I'll just do hard though. So hard. That's the only. So those are the difficulties. Don't press save weak. Do free play. Right here. Just selected icon. Remember your icon from earlier. I think it's SG. Yeah, SG. And this one you can choose, and this is the background color. So when you select it in the free play menu, this is what it looks like. Do like a dark, kind of purplish. It's good. Actually, no. Brighter, no. Like that. That works. And then you press save week. You go to mods, weeks, and you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna do I don't know .json. Save. You press escape. Escape again. You can go to story mode. Should be there. I know it's not here or here or here or here or here. You can just go down all the way, and there we go. We got our week. The thing is that I can't switch, you see, because I only chose hard. And then once you press enter, it just automatically plays it. See? Because I chose the right name for the song. Escape. Free play. We should also have it down here. Just go all the way down. Yeah. And we can play it there too. Enter. See how long have I been recording? 23 minutes. That's not that bad. So what I'm gonna do is something called credits. Yeah, let's do credits. Credits is yeah, we're gonna do credits first. So what you can do for credits is you go to File, Mods, Scripts. That's script. Yeah, scripts. You put a new txt file and you put it as all lower cases credits. You go inside, and right here it tells you how it wants you to be. Right, this is like an older version. I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Here. So what I did was mods, scripts, this credit file, yeah, you remember it. Double click on it. Here is an example. You put sorry, I forgot to do this in brackets. You do these two little brackets right here, and you can type in what the section is going to be. So I put people who made this mod, or who worked on this. We go to right here. This is the name. So this is like the name of who it is. This is the icon name. So let's go to mods, images. You're going to make a new folder and name it lowercase credits. Double click it, and you should have like a 115 by 115 image of an icon. The icon has to be the person that you're talking about, and you're going to put the name of that icon, all lowercase, BBPTV. Then right here is the description that'll appear on the bottom. So I'll put everything. Control S. This is the link when you press enter. So this is a link to my YouTube channel, which you should subscribe to. And right here is the color of the background when you go over them. It has to be capitals. It has to, has to have the numbers. And then that's it. And then you go up here. You go to credits. Oh wait, shoot! I forgot to restart it. So go to credits. Now there should be a new section. What? Why isn't it here? Oh right, I have an older version. Sorry guys. You guys will need a newer version of PsychEngine for it to work. So the way you can get a newer version is just go to my first tutorial of downloading it. That's basically it. You just go to the website, download the newest, just download it because they update it, and then you can do the credits, and then they just show up. I'm on an older version. I have a newer version in like mods that I'm working on, but just for this tutorial, I have an older version. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Another 3 minutes. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it. So, dialogue. And by the time I do this dialogue, we'll be done with the video. Go to 7 and go to dialogue editor. Dialogue portrait is when you make your own portrait. I'm just going to do dialogue editor. And I'm just going to, so right here, you can do A and D is used to like switch between. W and S show different expressions when you're saying it. And right up here is the character. This is going to be BF. And I'm going to make him say man. And for another one, so you can press P to add another. And I'll do and then another P will add another one. And I could, I could switch it. I can do angry. I could do how fast you'll talk. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to make it all simple. And I'll do and no matter how much you type, it'll keep on going. So that's why sometimes you'll have to press enter to like go another one down. But I'm just for funny purposes, I'm just gonna make it keep on going. But the thing is that'll slowly lift up the other text above it to make it higher. And then as soon as it gets to its highest point, you're just going to be going lower. Fast. And yeah, that's as much as I can do. Save dialogue. Dialogue.json. I've actually never done this before. Sorry. You know what you can do? Hold on. Okay, so I have a link to the description of the wiki, and it should be under, like, if you have any questions, go here section in the description. So you're going to go there, and you're going to go, to, where do I save dialogue portraits, blah, 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 read about it here. You're going to go all the way down here, and you're going to click here to download this script. See it, so you see, yes, so that's the thing. You need a script.lua in your data. So let's go to mods, data, final escape. You're going to need that script. Script.lua is when you want to code in something in the Lua script, or the Lua coding way, you know? If you know how to do Lua, then you should be able to code. But right here, you're going to do what it says right here, which is go into source, place to, actually no, this is for the source code. But dialogue, when dialogue is finished, it'll start a countdown, and it's gonna be weird trying to do this. Here. Function on timer tag, if tag, then timer completed, play dialogue, start dialogue, breakfast. So I'm pretty sure. Okay. Here, let me look through the files again. Mods, data. No. I'll put so right here. You're gonna save the dialogue in final escape. Dialogue.json. Okay. So but then you're gonna go right here. Yeah, you're gonna press it's the name of it is dialogue, so it should be pretty easy that it's called dialogue. And actually, I think that's it. So now you can press escape again, free play. Actually, no, not free play. It only works in story mode. So you're gonna go to story mode and press it, and it should work. See? I know what I'm doing. It's totally not like I never made dialogue before. Anyways. So as you can see, it's working. I press enter. Man, I'm dead as hell. I don't know what to say. La. If you want it to be faster, you can. I think I talked about it earlier. Very briefly, though, so you'll have to listen to what I said. And as soon as that's over, you get to start playing. And I think that's all. You have successfully made a Friday Night Funkin' mod. Let me bring this up. And I'm going to mute myself. But this is your mod. You made it. Technically I did, but whatever you made, this is your mod. Now, I'm gonna play mine to show you what it should look like. It's been nice doing this tutorial, actually. I might make more if people have questions, but this is it. This is done. You're done with making your mod. You can relax now. Alright, here we go. Also, this might be a little loud here. Yeah. I mean, not too loud, but it might be.